Hi everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Brit. Today I'm here with Home Glow to show you guys 3 ways how to clean your porcelain tub without scratching it. The first way I'm going to show you, you will need a dish wand, cleaning vinegar or distilled vinegar, and dish soap. Step 1 is to fill up your dish wand with equal parts vinegar and dish soap. Now that we have our scrub brush filled and ready to use, we are going to put it to the test. The dish soap mixed with the vinegar really helps reduce soap scum and hard water buildup, and the scrubbing pad on top is a non-scratch scrubber pad, which really helps combat the soap scum and the hard water buildup without scratching the porcelain. Don't have a dish wand on hand? That's okay. I'm going to share with you my second way to clean your porcelain tub with items you probably already have on hand. For this method, you will need baking soda, dish soap, and a non-scratch sponge of your choice. For this method, you are going to sprinkle the baking soda along your tub, and then you're going to drizzle the dish soap on top of the baking soda. Let it sit, especially if you have a lot of soap scum built up or even stains. The longer it sits, the more the baking soda activates to get rid of the soap scum and the stains. After you have allowed the mixture to sit for a few minutes, you're going to take your sponge and go ahead and scrub away at the soap scum and the stains that you may have in your tub. Then you are going to run some warm to hot water and rinse your tub completely. Another tip while you are already cleaning your tub is to sprinkle a little bit of baking soda into the drain and pour some vinegar down the drain. It'll get nice and bubbly, but it will help clean the inside of your drain as well. I know this is a lot of information to remember, and if you ever feel like you need help keeping on top of your cleaning tasks, with Home Glow, you can book an affordable and top-rated cleaner in your area. You can read reviews and schedule online in minutes. We are now on to the third and final way to clean your porcelain tub. For this method, I'm going to be using a clay bar. There's a little bar made of clay that looks like this. Clay bars are typically used to clean vehicles from glass to the paint surface. It removes contaminants, but I have found that you can also use it in your home. Along with the clay, you are going to need some cleaning spray, whatever is your favorite cleaning spray that you like to use in your home. When using this method, be sure to work in small areas at a time because the clay bar needs to remain wet as you are scrubbing the surface. Otherwise, the clay will kind of stick to whatever surface you're working on. And the clay is good for hard water buildup and soap scum or any other contaminants that are along your tub or the tile if you have any tiles surrounding your tub like I do. So there you have it, 3 ways to clean your porcelain tub without scratching it. For more tips like these, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye.